Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Venmo payments flow. First, log into your Braintree account. Navigate to the settings section on the left sidebar. Select processing from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the Venmo option. Click on the enable button beside Venmo. If prompted, read the terms and conditions and agree to them. Next, open your Venmo merchant account or create a new one. Link your Venmo account to your Braintree account by following the on-screen instructions. After linking, go back to your Braintree dashboard. Locate the API section to find your merchant ID and access token. Open your preferred code editor to integrate Venmo into your application. Add the Braintree SDK to your project by following the official documentation. In your code, initialize the Braintree client with your merchant ID and access token. Create a payment button on your app interface for users to initiate payments. Set up the Venmo payment method in your app using the Braintree SDK. Call the Venmo payment method when a user clicks the payment button. Test the integration in the Braintree sandbox environment first. Once testing is complete, switch to the live environment to start accepting real transactions. Monitor your transactions in the Braintree dashboard regularly. Keep your integration updated with any changes from Braintree or Venmo. Ensure customer support is available for any issues related to Venmo payments. With these steps, you're ready to activate Venmo payments flow using Braintree seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.